अभी हम देंगे डॉक्टर नताशा को एक जोर का झटका, जो कि
What?
बेसिकली इट्स लाइक अ रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चंस होने वाला है।
Oh,
और
okay.
इसमें आपका ये रूल है कि आपको एक वर्ड में आंसर देना है। यू हैव टू चूज आइदर ऑफ इट। फोम रोलर और मसाज गन, योर गो टू।
Foam roller is for superficial pain and massage rollers are for deep tissue pains.
वन posture mistake that drives you crazy.
Technique.
Stairs or elevator?
If you're fit, if your knees are good, I'm a knee doctor. If your knees are good, go for stairs. It helps you with cardiovascular regime of yours. Cardiovascular better होता है, blood circulation better होता है, muscles strong होते हैं. Please use the stairs. But if your knee is painful, not go for stairs. Use elevators.
Most underrated stretch?
Stretch of the glutes. There are two. One is trapezius and stretch of the hip flexors. Not glutes, sorry. Hip flexors.
Ice or heat? What is your first choice after workout?
Acute pain, swelling, bony injury, ice. And if there is any soft tissue pain, if it is a chronic pain, then heat. After workout, you need to again, if you have soreness in the muscles, then you need, if there is any swelling, you need to apply ice. Or अगर आपका tight है muscles, then you have to give it heat so
Okay.
that the muscle relaxes and the blood circulation in that group increases.
Right.
After applying heat.
Cramps at night, magnesium or hydration?
Magnesium supplements help with nocturnal cramps more than hydration.
Okay. Best time to stretch, before or after workout?
It depends, before or after workout. Matlab, I have read hundreds and hundreds of articles on it, before or after workout. So suppose if you're working out regularly and if you're feeling the stiffness in your muscles, then you should, actually there are different stretches to be done.
100%.
Pre
Right.
and post.
Right.
So there are some stretches which should be done before the workout, and there are some stretches which should be done after the workout.
Right.
So suppose if you're doing any activity or exercise which has been putting a strain on your hip flexors.
Right.
So after the workout, you have to give it a good stretch to bring it to the neutral position.
Right. One food you always recommend for joint health?
Protein and leafy vegetables.
Okay. Desk job survival tip in word.
Move.
Move.
Movement.
Okay.
Please move in between your work hours.
Most common myth about physiotherapy?
People come us only and only after injuries. So कुछ injury हुआ है, मैम इसको ठीक कर दो. Dr. Natasha, please help me with this injury. Come to us before you get an injury.
Right.
Physiotherapy is mostly for prevention.
What is more worse, bad posture or no movement?
Poor posture or no movement at all. Poor posture can be corrected, but no movement mostly leads to severe damage.
Chronic disease as well.
Yeah, chronic diseases, heart diseases,
Right.
which will require a surgical intervention.
Right.